New to our inventory is this 2024 Ram 5500 4x4 with the Cummins diesel with only 97 miles. It is previously titled. It has the remaining balance of the factory warranty. We can add or upfit any kind of bed or equipment. Give us a call at 817-239-7353. Or catch us on our website at dkrtrucks.com. Thank you.